Hey traders from around the world, welcome to the middle of October. I actually try to do these at the beginning of every month. This time, doing it at the middle of the month, had a really random sickness that kind of hopped on me unexpectedly for the very first part of October, and then I was on vacation for the second week of October, so this is really the first opportunity I've had to create this video. This video is entitled The October Challenge for Real Life Trading. Every single month, I like to post a challenge for each and every one of you out there in the world, those followers and subscribers, fans and family of real life trading, and just kind of give you an overall goal and objective for the month. This particular month is actually really easy. The month of October is Generosity Month, and I want you all to focus on a way to be extraordinarily generous. Something that you've never done before. Do something that you've never done before. That's going to be the goal. And for many of you, a lot of you have not heard of a particular website called Kiva or Kiva. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's kiva.com. So you can check out that source and that page and that video right here. So this is the particular website that my challenge to you is to find someone and donate $100 to their particular project they're working on getting funded for. It's really an incredible overall program. I love the company. I love the site. I've been using it for a few years now. And if you all want to team up on something, my referral link is in the description box below. You're welcome to use that link. I don't think I get anything for it, but I know Kiva does, and they're able to use those additional funds for other projects. So anyway, that's it. That's the challenge for the month of October. If you want to do something bigger and better, feel free to let me know what you do for Generosity Month. Share your emails, videos, posts, or messages in the either comments below, or you can email me anytime, jeremy@reallifetrading.com. That's my email address. Thanks so much for being Real Life Traders. You are amazing. I will see you later, and until next time, love life, and trade it. Bye.